Have you ever wondered if technology could one day replace teachers in the classroom? As we witness the rapid advancements in AI, e-learning platforms, and virtual classrooms, it's a question that's become increasingly relevant. Welcome to Hubble Tech, where we explore the fascinating intersection of technology and education. In today's episode, we'll dive into the heated debate surrounding the future of teaching and ask the critical question, will technology replace teachers? Join us on this captivating journey as we uncover the potential of educational technology, examine the unique value that human teachers bring to the learning experience, and explore the challenges and limitations of relying solely on technology. We'll also discuss the evolving role of teachers in the era of technology and envision what the future of education might look like. So, sit back, relax, and let's embark on this thought-provoking adventure together. The rise of educational technology. Over the past few decades, we have witnessed a significant rise in educational technology, revolutionizing the way we approach teaching and learning. From the early days of computer-assisted learning to the current explosion of e-learning platforms, massive open online courses, and AI-driven learning tools, technology has become an integral part of the modern education landscape. This rapid growth has been fueled by a combination of factors, including increasing internet penetration, advancements in artificial intelligence, and the need for scalable and accessible education. E-learning platforms such as Coursera, Udacity, and Khan Academy have made quality education accessible to millions of learners worldwide, regardless of their geographic location or financial means. These platforms offer a vast array of courses, ranging from academic subjects to professional development and personal enrichment, often taught by experts from top universities and institutions. MOOCs, in particular, have democratized education by enabling learners to access high-quality courses from prestigious universities for free or at a fraction of the cost of traditional education. AI-driven learning tools are another significant development in the world of educational technology. These tools leverage artificial intelligence and machine learning algorithms to deliver personalized learning experiences, adapting to each student's unique needs, learning pace, and style. Examples of such tools include intelligent tutoring systems, adaptive learning platforms, and AI-based language learning apps. These cutting-edge technologies have the potential to revolutionize the way we teach and learn by providing individualized attention and support, which can be challenging to achieve in traditional classroom settings. In addition to these platforms, we have also seen the advent of virtual and augmented reality technologies in education. Virtual classrooms, immersive learning experiences, and gamified educational content are transforming the way we interact with educational material, making learning more engaging and interactive than ever before. The rise of educational technology has undoubtedly brought numerous benefits and advantages. It has made education more accessible, affordable, and engaging while offering new opportunities for personalization and collaboration. However, it is essential to consider the implications of these advancements on the role of human teachers in education. Will technology ultimately replace teachers, or can we find a way to strike a balance that leverages the best of both worlds? As we delve deeper into this topic, we'll explore the unique value of human teachers and the potential for technology to complement their work rather than replace them. The role of teachers in modern education. In the age of rapidly advancing technology, it's crucial to recognize the unique value that human teachers bring to the educational experience. Despite the numerous benefits of educational technology, there are certain aspects that technology has yet to replicate or surpass, reinforcing the importance of human teachers in modern education. First and foremost, human teachers possess the empathy and emotional intelligence required to create supportive learning environments, catering to the diverse needs of students. They can recognize the subtle cues of a struggling student, offer encouragement, and provide personalized guidance and mentorship. This emotional connection and understanding are vital components of effective teaching that cannot be easily replicated by technology. Moreover, human teachers are critical in fostering creativity and critical thinking skills in students. While technology can provide a wealth of information and learning resources, teachers play a vital role in helping students navigate this information, synthesize it, and apply it to real-world situations. Teachers are skilled at facilitating meaningful discussions, promoting divergent thinking, and challenging students to think critically about various concepts and ideas. Another essential aspect of the role of teachers in modern education is their ability to adapt and cater to individual student needs. While AI-driven learning tools can offer some degree of personalization, human teachers have a deep understanding of individual student strengths, weaknesses, interests, and learning styles. They can tailor their approach, offer targeted feedback, and provide the right resources to help students overcome challenges and reach their full potential. Furthermore, teachers serve as role models and mentors, inspiring students not only academically but also in terms of character development, ethical values, and social skills. They help cultivate a sense of responsibility, perseverance, and resilience in students, which are crucial life skills that go beyond the scope of technology-based learning. In summary, the role of human teachers in modern education is multifaceted and essential. Their unique ability to empathize, inspire, and adapt to individual student needs underscores their continued importance in the face of rapid technological advancements. As we continue to explore the potential of technology in education, it's important to recognize and appreciate the irreplaceable value that human teachers bring to the learning experience. The potential for technology to complement, rather than replace, teachers. As we explore the possibilities that educational technology has to offer, it becomes evident that its true potential lies in its ability to complement and enhance the work of human teachers, rather than replace them. By integrating technology into the classroom thoughtfully and strategically, we can create a synergistic relationship between human educators and technology, ultimately benefiting students and driving positive outcomes. One of the most promising aspects of technology in education is its potential to automate repetitive and time-consuming tasks, freeing up teachers to focus on more valuable aspects of their work. For instance, AI-driven grading and assessment tools can alleviate the burden of grading large volumes of assignments, providing teachers with more time to offer personalized guidance, mentorship, and support to their students. Technology can also empower teachers with valuable data-driven insights, enabling them to make more informed decisions about their teaching strategies and interventions. Learning analytics tools can track student progress, identify patterns, and highlight areas where students may require additional support or challenge. Armed with this information, teachers can fine-tune their approach to better meet the needs of their students. Furthermore, technology has the potential to transform and personalize the learning experience for students. Adaptive learning platforms can customize content and assessment based on individual student performance, ensuring that each learner receives the right level of challenge and support. This personalization can lead to more efficient and effective learning, while also empowering teachers to cater to diverse learning styles and abilities within their classrooms. Another area where technology can complement teachers is in fostering collaboration and communication. Online platforms and tools can facilitate group projects, peer feedback, and global collaboration, connecting students and educators worldwide. This connectivity encourages the exchange of ideas, perspectives, and knowledge, fostering a more enriched and diverse learning experience. In conclusion, the potential for technology to complement, rather than replace, teachers is immense. By adopting a balanced approach that leverages the strengths of both human educators and technology, we can create a more effective, engaging, and personalized learning environment for students. This synergy between teachers and technology not only enhances the overall educational experience, but also ensures that the unique value of human teachers remains an integral part of the equation. The challenges and limitations of technology in education. While educational technology offers numerous advantages and opportunities for enhancing teaching and learning, it is not without its challenges and limitations. Recognizing and addressing these concerns is essential to ensure the responsible and effective integration of technology in education. One significant challenge in the adoption of educational technology is the digital divide. Not all students in schools have equal access to technology, high-speed internet, and digital resources. This disparity can exacerbate existing inequalities, particularly among socioeconomically disadvantaged populations, rural communities, and developing countries. Efforts to bridge the digital divide and provide equal access to technology are crucial to prevent further marginalization of these groups. Another concern is the privacy and security of personal information. As more students and teachers rely on digital tools, platforms, and resources, there is an increased risk of data breaches, cyber attacks, and misuse of personal information. Ensuring robust data protection measures and promoting digital literacy among students and educators are vital steps in addressing these privacy concerns. Moreover, the effectiveness of technology-driven learning largely depends on the quality and design of digital content and tools. Poorly designed resources, inappropriate content, or lack of adherence to pedagogical best practices can lead to suboptimal learning experiences and outcomes. To maximize the potential of educational technology, it is essential to invest in the development and evaluation of high-quality, research-backed digital resources and tools. Additionally, it is essential to consider the need for human interaction in the learning process. While technology can offer personalization, efficiency, and convenience, it cannot fully replicate the emotional and social aspects of learning that are fostered through human connections. Striking a balance between technology and human interaction is critical to maintaining an engaging and supportive learning environment. Lastly, the successful integration of technology in education requires ongoing professional development and support for educators. Teachers must be equipped with the necessary skills and knowledge to utilize technology effectively, adapting their pedagogical approaches as needed. Providing adequate training and resources for educators is vital to ensure the successful implementation of technology in the classroom. In conclusion, while educational technology offers numerous benefits and opportunities, it also presents challenges and limitations that must be addressed. By acknowledging and addressing these concerns, we can work towards a more balanced, equitable, and effective integration of technology in education, ensuring that the human element remains central to the learning experience. Future outlook. The evolving role of teachers in the era of technology. As we look towards the future of education in the era of technology, the role of teachers is expected to evolve in several key ways. Rather than being replaced by technology, teachers will likely be empowered to leverage technology to enhance their teaching practices and the overall learning experience. In this new landscape, teachers will increasingly function as facilitators and guides, helping students navigate the vast array of digital resources and information available to them. They will be responsible for curating high-quality content, fostering critical thinking, and supporting students in making meaningful connections between diverse sources of knowledge. Another crucial aspect of the evolving role of teachers is their capacity to foster social and emotional learning. As technology becomes more prominent in education, the human touch and empathy that teachers provide will become even more valuable. Teachers will need to focus on cultivating essential life skills such as communication, collaboration, resilience, and empathy, which cannot be effectively taught by technology alone. Furthermore, as technology continues to reshape the job market, teachers will play a crucial role in preparing students for the future workforce. This will involve emphasizing the development of transferable skills, promoting lifelong learning, and fostering adaptability and creativity. Lastly, teachers will need to become proficient in using various educational technologies and stay updated on the latest advancements in their field. This will require ongoing professional development and a commitment to continuous learning. In conclusion, the future outlook for teachers in the era of technology is one of evolution and adaptation. Embracing technology as a tool to enhance their work, teachers will continue to play an essential role in shaping the educational experience and nurturing the next generation of learners. In conclusion, the rapid advancements in technology have significantly impacted the landscape of education, leading to important questions regarding the future roles of teachers and technology in learning. While educational technology offers numerous benefits, including personalized learning, increased efficiency, and access to vast resources, it cannot replace the unique value that human teachers bring to the educational experience. The future of education lies in striking a balance between leveraging the strengths of technology and preserving the irreplaceable contributions of human educators. Teachers will need to adapt and evolve, focusing on their roles as facilitators, mentors, and promoters of social and emotional learning. As technology continues to reshape education, fostering collaboration and embracing a commitment to continuous learning will be essential for both students and educators. By acknowledging the challenges and limitations of technology and recognizing the importance of the human element, we can work towards a more equitable, effective, and engaging learning experience for students in the era of technology. If you found this discussion insightful and thought-provoking, be sure to like, share, and subscribe to Hubble Tech for more content on the intersection of technology and education. Stay tuned for our upcoming videos as we dive deeper into the future of learning and how technology is shaping our world. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to ensure you never miss a video. Join the conversation in the comments below and share your thoughts with us.